Hello and welcome to our talk. My name is Yacine Jernite, and along with my colleague Dr. Margaret Mitchell, we're going to talk to you about our and our co-authors' work on data governance in the context of large-scale data-driven language technology. As machine learning systems are relying on increasingly more data to improve their performance on a number of tasks, we need to build structures to ensure that this data can be gathered in a way that fosters diversity and representativeness, while respecting the rights and interests and supporting the agency of the data and algorithm subjects. That is the focus of good collaborative data governance. We have seen quite a few significant developments in this space in recent years. First, there has been a notable uptake in data protection regulations around the world, including, for example, the PIPA Act passed in Canada in 2000, the 2016 General Data Protection Regulation in the European Union, or the California Customer Privacy Act of 2018, among many others. We are also seeing more and more scholarship and activism on data governance from a range of diverse institutions, including notably the licenses for indigenous data sovereignty put forward by the Tehi Kumari Radio, the CPIT work on reviewing data protection regulations across African jurisdictions, or the European Network CLARIN, which coordinates data governance centers across national consortia with a focus on language data use in social science research, to name a few. In this talk, we describe our work on proposing a new data governance structure for large-scale language technology research and development that is motivated by these new developments and inspired by these efforts. The work we are describing here was conducted within the context of the Big Science Workshop, a year-long project bringing together over 1,000 participants from 65 countries to work on training and studying a multilingual large language model in an open and collaborative fashion. The work took place across 30 working groups, addressing various technical and social aspects of large language models. Among those, a data sourcing group ran a collaborative effort to identify sources of data to create a geographically diverse training corpus. We can see from the map on the left that the data is not only multilingual, it also has owners and custodians that are spread out all around the world and situated in different contexts and jurisdictions. This motivates the need for a new kind of distributed language data governance structure. Our focus in this work was to identify the relevant social, legal, and technological context for this purpose, and to propose a new organization to serve this role.
So what does this organization look like? Well, the first step in devising this global data management structure is identifying specific roles. Here from right to left, we have the data rights holders that can have commercial ownership or personal rights over the data. We have the data custodians that typically manage and curate the text, and the data stewardship organization that oversees the general flow of data and its uses. The data modelers, that's the NLP researchers in this case, conduct statistical analyses, train models, and are additionally helped in this structure by what we call data helpers, which includes lawyers, advocates, ethicists, and anyone who can help provide tools and context to help with the data governance. Continuing this work, we're aiming to have a governance structure in place and persisting for 1 year. We will continue to share the tools for understanding data sets, and what we need more than anything right now is more organizations joining as data hosts. So if you are interested, please let us know. It doesn't have to be a lot of data. A single data set is fine. Thank you.